to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it. You're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
So I made it back from Burlington. I'm gonna show you guys some things that I purchased. So the first item I purchased was this beautiful comforter set that caught my eye. So I'm gonna show you guys my comforter set that I purchased. Okay. So this is the comforter set that I purchased. I am going to show you guys when I make up my bed and put it on. I thought it was really cute. It's an 8-piece velvet comforter set. It comes with 1 comforter, 2 shams, 3 decorative pillows, and 2 Euro shams. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys how it looks on my bed. So I like that it comes with all the pillows in there. My bedroom is like a hint of gold. I'm gonna show you guys what my bed looked like. I thought it was really pretty, and it just gives golden royalty. So I'm gonna show you guys what my bed looked like when I make it up. The next item I purchased was, I got this Kenneth Cole 6-piece sheet set from Burlington, and it comes with cell phone pockets on the side, so you can put your cell phone on the side. Thought it was really cute. Okay, so it has 4 standard pillowcases, 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and it comes with the cell phone socket pockets, cell phone pockets. So I'm gonna see what this look like. It looked really cool. This is by Kenneth Cole at Burlington. I believe this was on sale as well. The next thing I got was, I got some pots to cook some dinner in, y'all, because my pots was getting kind of rusted, y'all. So I got this pot here. This is a stainless steel stock pot. You can make your meats in here, your vegetables, your stew beef, and all that stuff. So this is what I got there. I also got some slim tea, y'all, because y'all know I'll be trying to get slim, y'all. So this is also what I purchased in Burlington. Is a green tea, pineapple. So I will be trying this later. I also got another pot. This is another stainless steel pot. This is by Oyster. You can make your rice, your vegetables, and all that stuff in here. So I got another small one. This was on sale as well. I also got these pop-out ice trays, silicone, just to have pop in the freezer. Really cute. They pop out easily. The little icings are really little, which is really cute. I also picked up these 2 Beauty Rest pillows. They're 2 in a pack. They're really big. They're really a nice size. And these are the classic. These were on sale for like $14.99, y'all. I just thought they were big, long. Okay, guys, so I received a package from a company called Heyyyy, and we received these retro Jordans, retro 1 in the color of blue. This is what they look like. These are in men's, and we're gonna take out the first sneaker. This is the other sneaker. All right, and of course my son is gonna try these on. These are dope. These are hot. So look at these, y'all. Look how hot they are. That blue is banging. This blue is eating. 2 or more, right? Right? Okay, so the retro tag that goes inside official, baby. This is the receipt we have in the box. And these are the laces that came with it. And my son is gonna try them on. He's gonna try them on. So these are dope. So if you into this type of footwear, go to the link. It will be in my description, www.heyyyy.ru. Check it out. Link in the description, baby. All right, so he's going to try them on and let you guys see what they look like. But this color, y'all, is just eating, y'all. So let him try these on, y'all. Let's go.
Good, I look fly, I look too good, put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good, you can't touch my bag, wish you could.
Can't focus on me.